Okay, we're on. I was going to put my mug up in the corner here, but it's the QuickTime player doesn't want to cooperate. I just thought we would have or go ahead and have like a mini lecture for Wednesday, and I will make sure that I do the. We'll go over the syllabus and all that kind of stuff. Couple quick notes. You do have a homework assignment that's been assigned. I don't think I've put a due date on that. In fact, let's take a look. Uh, Here, as you can see the screen, here it is. Here's your new homework assignment. When's it due? Oh, it's start. Okay, yep. We need to edit this thing. Let's put edit assignment. I'm going to start making them every 2 weeks. Okay. Now when we get towards the end of the semester, that's going to run out of. We're going to run out of 2 week intervals, but this will give you time to get for those of you who are struggling or not struggling, but wrestling with the financial aid office and things like that. Gives you plenty of time to get started. So let's just edit the assignment here. Let's make sure we get a decent due date. Date started. So let's start it on. See, because I copied this off. Let's start at January. Let's start it today, and let's go to February 4th. Due date. February 4th at 11:59 p.m. So that's good. And end date of the course, let's just make that May 31st. That's just the easiest way to do it. Then we're covered there. So let's save. And now we're all good. So there we go. So now you got it. You got your first homework assignment. I've cut out some of the trickier problems because I have found that there's a movement. I'm going to waste too much time here, but I found that there's a movement afoot in the teaching of physics, especially to pre-pharm, pre-dental, pre-med majors that or biological science people that don't spend a whole lot of time with hard algebra problems. That's for engineers. You guys have enough stuff you're doing with anatomy and orgasmic chemistry and all that other stuff let's get the big ideas down. And for some of you, like on the DAT and the FAT or whatever they call it, the PCAT, I don't even think there's that much physics on there. Anyway, it's just the MCAT for the most part. So, but I think you're going into a science, and so you should be well rounded. So it's good to know the electricity, magnetism, and physics just in general. Just any educated person should know physics. So that's what we're going to do here, and we're going to do it via Top Hat. And notice I already have some lecture questions here that I'm going to assign to you as homework here in Top Hat for you to do. So let's just get started here. All right. So let's. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop this recording right now and load it as the intro to lecture 1. And then we'll look at the slides, and I'll spend there'll probably be about 2 more quick videos that I do where we just look at the problems and or look at the big ideas behind the start of chapter 18 here in your OpenStax book.